Alright, well, it's hot out here. I finished sanding and painting the back part. Also gave a little touch up on the brake drums. All the extra little welded pieces that weren't part of the stock trailer have been removed and sanded flat. You can see everything's looking a little bit better now. So the back half is done. The front half needs to be done next. But we are looking at some serious heat out here, and I think this is going to be enough for today. The egg is still sitting here, lonely and not forgotten. We have our $5 camp stove that came out of someone else's trailer a long time ago. So that's going to go into the new place. So the sound didn't get recorded on this next series of clips, so brief explanation as to what's going on. We're making new cushions, which will be used in the dining area and also as the bed. We've reused the vinyl for the base. The cloth has been replaced with some new canvas that we picked up in a deal. And the mattress itself is from IKEA. We took the cover off, and using the electric carving knife, we were able to get that sliced up and new cushions made. To fill in the other bit of time, there's a little bit of music, and then we'll see the frame getting inserted underneath the shelf.
Me too.
Okay.
This is what we're going to do now.
All right.
We are going to, I'm going to lift this up. You're going to throw those blocks of wood out.
Okay.
And that's all.
Okay.
And then set this piece directly onto the jack stand.
Okay.
All right.
Set. How does that?
Lift it up. All right. Well, that's not what I wanted to have happen.